Greetings and welcome to this 3D Motive comprehensive course on building a platform game from the very beginning with GameMaker Studio. I'm Alan Thorne, and throughout this feature-filled course I'll take you through the complete process of making a 2D platform game. In this part we'll finalize and polish our game. We'll start by adding sound effects for weapons, jumping and power-up collection. We'll also add game complete and game lost screens, as well as a simple GUI. In addition, we'll take a look at how to monitor runtime performance using debug features, and also how to build our game for desktop platforms such as Windows and Mac. Then finally, we'll explore how to use GameMaker Studio to deploy our game to an Android mobile device like a phone or a tablet. So, let's get started.